So about myself, I started losing hair when I was around 30 years old. First, it turned white when I was a teenager, but that didn't bother me. I could always color it. But around, after I started my profession, I noticed, I thought it was due to stress or whatnot, but my hair was getting thin and I was getting bald. So I did my first session of hair transplant in the United States in Pittsburgh. I was nervous, of course. It was the first time I ever had surgery, but it went well. I realized how simple and painless, fairly painless it is. The recovery time was less than what I expected. So when I started having further hair loss, about 4 or 5 years later, I decided to do it again, but to save on cost, as well as Colombia providing me with robotics. I figured I'll do a different type of technique. So I did go to Colombia, Medellin, to get my second transplant. Same kind of experience, relatively painless, quick recovery. I was able to fly home the next day, in 2 days after my surgery. With the following day, I just had a follow-up. And then again, after about 4 or 5, it's been 6 years now since that surgery. But the last 2 years, me and my friend have been talking about doing another session. He already had a transplant. He wanted to do another session. So we were looking for different areas. My friend originally is from Surat, and he had his first transplant here, and his results were very good. I noticed a drastic improvement in his front line. He's a completely changed person. So we were either thinking going to Turkey or coming here. Because we had knowledge about this place from his first experience and his great results, we didn't want to take a chance in a country where, you know, the geopolitical atmosphere is not as stable. So we decided to come here. I met with the doctor the first time. Just a couple of days ago, we had conversations through my friend with the staff here. That went well. And then I had my first consultation with the doctor just a couple of days ago. As expected, very knowledgeable, felt very comfortable with him. And then we proceeded here today. I just finished with my transplant. Everything went straightforward. I had some minimal pain when they numbed up my skin, but after that, I was comfortable. Some awkward positions, but that's expected because I had to take out hair from my beard. But other than that, everything went straightforward. A little bit tired. They gave me good food in between and plenty of water. Now I'm just gonna go home and rest. Should be better by tomorrow. The staff instructed me and guided me to what they were doing each step of the way. There's no surprises. They made sure I was comfortable during the procedure. They repeatedly asked me if I had any pain. They gave me many bathroom breaks. They asked me if I had to use a bathroom, if I needed water. Right now, I'm a little tired. I believe it was about 8 hours long, so I am a little tired. I did sleep through some of the procedure. With some positions, it's hard to fall asleep, but just tired. That's pretty much it. I'm not in any pain. So I had a little bit of pinching pain when they gave the anesthetic, but that went away right away. It's the same experience I had in my prior transplants. It's just the anesthesia the local anesthesia when they inject. Obviously it hurts because it's not numbed, but it quickly goes away. Based on my experience thus far, I would highly recommend my friends and family to come here for their hair transplant needs. Now I'm just waiting to see the results. Thank you, Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic.